Hello, and welcome to the Phone2Lead demo by Keystone CTI. Here, I'm going to show you how to register a promotional phone number for a campaign and add a forwarding number to receive inbound calls. But first, do you answer yes to any of these questions? Do you find it hard getting sales to identify where the leads come from? Is it difficult to capture what marketing dollars are ringing the phones? Are you having difficulties in figuring out what campaigns have attributed to closing a deal? Still asking customers, how did you hear about us? Are you still relying on web forms to capture and create leads in Salesforce.com? If you answer yes to any of these questions, stay tuned and I'll show you how to go from ROI ambiguity to ROI facts. Let's start by registering a new phone number. We do this by selecting an existing campaign and then by clicking on the Get Number button. Here, we can recycle any of our old numbers from previous campaigns. Or we can just register a new one. Let's go ahead and register a new number. Here, we can see a list of numbers we can choose from, either locally or by toll-free. If we choose a toll-free number, we can put in the prefix, click on Search, and display all the numbers that are available to us. Let's go ahead and register a local number. We'll go ahead and put in the area code 415 and click on Search. Here brings a list of all the 415 numbers we can register. By clicking on Register Now, we register that number. By clicking back on the campaign, we now see the promotional phone number has been that number that we registered. Now, all we need to do is put in the forwarding number to forward all the inbound calls we get on that local promotional phone number. Now that we have a promotional phone number, let's give it a ring. I'll be calling from my Skype line. When the agent picks up the phone, this is what he'll hear on the other line.
Keystone call, yellow pages, press pound to answer.
Now that a new lead was created and attached to the campaign, this is all done before the rep would even pick up the phone. Now let's look at a different scenario, marketing to existing leads or contacts. Let's say we send a target mailing to all existing contacts. What would happen if the current phone number is out of date? Or if they called in from a number you didn't have on record? How would the system know it's Andy who's calling the discount promotion? This is where a new field, Keystone Number, comes into play. This new auto-generated field needs to be included in your mailings. This way, no matter what phone number the contact calls from, all he has to do is enter his Keystone Number. When Andy calls the promotional phone number, he will now hear a prompt to enter his Keystone Number. And again, the agent will hear the campaign name before connecting to Andy. Let's be Andy and call now.
Please enter your Keystone number followed by #. If you do not have a Keystone number, press 99 followed by #.
As an agent, this is what they will hear.
Keystone call, 50% discount promotion. Press pound to answer.
After a refresh of the campaign, we see Andy's contact record has been associated with the 50% discount promotion. Let's take a look at the contact details screen. First, we notice the mobile number is now filled in. This is because the system recognized the current phone field wasn't the same as the one Andy called in from. Therefore, it augmented the data and placed the new phone number field in the mobile field. Looking at the campaign history related list, we can see the status is called, member first responded date, the number of times Andy called to the 50% discount campaign, and the last date and time the member status was updated. All these data points are captured when Andy's responded to the campaign. Again, all this is done before the agent picks up the phone. Simplistic but yet efficient. Thank you for watching the Phone2Lead demo from Keystone CTI.